any disease you get, it is because of two reasons. One, you get some part of it from your genetics, that is your forefathers, some part of it from your habits, that is external factors like how you are eating, how you are sleeping, how you are exercising, and how you are leading a stress-free life. So combination of your genetics and combination of what you have acquired from the outside is your constitution. Based on this, we prescribe a constitutional medicine, so it elicits a hormetic response in your body. Because of hormetic response, your disease is completely cured, and it will not occur again and again. We call it as cure. Very rare cases, so where you have disease for a very long time, there is a lot of physical damage is done in your body. At that time, we can give palliative treatment. We cannot cure completely, but it's very rare. Normally we completely cure it, and that too, even that palliation is without any side effect.